I'd like to introduce Harry, the world's first drilling chatbot. No more being tied to Excel and computers. You can speak to Harry on your phone, tablet or PC, and there's no need to download another application. Harry runs in chat apps you already have. He knows how to do a variety of drilling calculations and is learning more every day. You can interact with Harry using a guided menu interface. Or by typing messages to him. Remember, Harry is still quite young, but his AI is learning constantly, so the more you interact with him, the more useful he becomes. Harry can also help you dull grade a bit, either step by step or recording the result. Then emailing the dull grade to you. Harry is also useful when traveling, able to convert money, forecast the weather, and give travel advice. Speak to Harry, the world's first drilling chatbot.